Damdama Lake is a small lake in Gurgaon located at the foothills of Aravali mountain range. It is fed mainly by the monsoon rains. Being a famous tourist spot in Gurgaon, you will find it on most of travel websites. It is described as one of the best options for a fun-filled day to enjoy boating, picnic and adventure sports as well. We visited the lake in September 2020 during the morning hours. The natural scenery with a lake full of water alongside green mountains is a rare and serene sight in Gurgaon. There were no activities due to COVID restrictions, so we decided to take a nature walk and explore nearby places instead. Some locals suggested us to visit an old temple just a couple of yards from there. That sounded interesting. When we entered the temple premise, we were amazed at the sight of a big yard with huge old banyan and peepal trees spreading their roots. You will never find such an open yard amidst crowded buildings of the city. A 200 steps concrete stairs led to the Devi temple on the top of mountain. A little boy about 10 to 12 years old became our guide and a savior from monkeys who were hovering around us. He handed us a stick to protect ourselves as well. The boys' enlightening and entertaining stories and chit-chat accompanied us throughout the journey. On reaching the top, there was a tube well which seems like a waterfall, and seeing it took away all our tiredness. Splashing water on our faces refreshed us. A spectacular view from the top, a lake surrounded by mountains, so much of greenery and monkeys jumping around. Can you believe this is Gurgaon? We couldn't at once, but yes, it is Gurgaon. We were so delighted to have found this place. The boy further guided us to the Devi temple and then to Bhairav temple, which was just a few steps away. It has replicated the tradition and faith like in Jammu. After Vaishno Devi temple visit, you go to Bhairav temple. It was such a fulfilling morning. This is a perfect place to spend a good 2 to 3 hours while exploring and discovering the undiscovered. Gurgaon Dekho, Beyond Buildings. Like, follow, share Gurgaon Dekho to find more such experiences.